Hey guys, this is my new YouTube channel, You Fitness. Please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for instant notification. Watch the video fully to have a clear vision of what I'm going to say. Today video is about intelligent ways to lose fat. There are many misleading ways over the internet regarding fat loss. In this video, we are going to see about an intelligent vision on fat loss. I hope this video may help you in your fat loss journey. Let's go into the video. One of the important way is don't starve while you diet. Many people doesn't know the difference between starving and dieting. Starving will damage your metabolism. When you lose a lot of weight, it doesn't mean that it is coming from your fat. It may be your water weight or body fat or muscle mass. Majority of the time, it unfortunately comes from the lean muscle mass. Losing your muscle mass can damage your metabolism because muscle is your active tissue which will help you to burn a lot of calories. So don't starve while you diet. The second most important thing is drink lots of water. Our bodies are over 70% water and it needs a large amount of liquid to maintain its daily functions. Water helps in lubricating your joints and detox your body. It helps in kidney function, which increases the ability of liver to burn fat efficiently. It acts as an appetite suppressant. Adequate water consumption provides the main foundation for any weight loss program. So try to drink a lot of water daily. And the next thing is increase your protein intake. Make sure to include a protein source at every meal. Protein helps in repairing muscle tissue which have been damaged during workout, and also protein has a highest thermogenic effect of all macronutrition than carbohydrates and fat. It has a thermogenic effect of 30%. That means for every 100 calories you are eating, 30 calories will be burned for digestion. The fourth most important thing is eat thermogenic foods. Thermogenic foods are the ones your body uses maximum energy in order to properly digest it. Some of the greatest thermogenic foods are vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, mushrooms. These foods are very low in calories and you can take a large quantity in your meal. And since these are thermogenic foods, only a minimum calorie is stored in your body. And the fifth intelligent way to lose fat is building lean muscle mass. Weight training may help you in building lean muscle mass. As I said before, muscle tissue is the most metabolically active tissue in your body, so make sure to build as much as possible. Studies have estimated that for each pound of muscle you add to your body, you burn an additional 35 to 50 calories per day. So an extra 10 pounds of muscle will burn approximately 350 to 500 calories per day, or an extra pound of fat every 7 to 10 days. Many may think building muscle may not look good on them, especially women. Due to lower testosterone level on women, it is hard to build muscle for them. And also, building muscle is not an easy thing, so try to hit gym at least thrice a week. The next thing is decrease your sugar intake. One of the best things you can do to drop excess body fat is to decrease your intake of sugar. Try to decrease gradually from high sugar foods. By decreasing your sugar intake, you will be able to control your insulin levels, which will help you to unlock your body's ability to start burning stored body fat. Since sugar have a very high calorie than any food. Eat fiber. Fiber will give you a feeling of fullness with a limited amount of calories. Fiber also helps to reduce constipation and cholesterol, and also assist in combating heart diseases and some cancers even. Next, we are going to see about fats. Eat good fats. I mean non-saturated fat, both polyunsaturated and monounsaturated. This type of fat has numerous health benefits. Fats can help you to protect your internal organs, and essential fatty acids are beneficial for your heart, metabolism, and immune system. These essential fatty acids increases your metabolic rate, which in turn increases the fat burning chances, and finally will result in loss of weight. And the final most important thing is please don't skip your breakfast. The meaning for breakfast is We have been in fasting for the last 6 to 8 hours from sleep, and we are going to break that fasting. Is called breakfast. Always try to have a very nutritious breakfast. Researchers have found that people who ate breakfast every day were 1 by 3 times less likely to be obese compared to those who skipped the meal. Researchers also believe that breakfast may help them to stabilize blood sugar levels, and they also suggest people who eat breakfast are less likely to be hungry during the rest of the day and are therefore less likely to overeat. I hope I have given an intelligent vision on fat loss in this video. I have given the book link in description where I have got this information. Also my Telegram group where you can chat with me. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Like the video, comment if you have any doubts, share to few of your friends, subscribe, and thanks. Have a nice day.